Get up every day and make hustle and make money for eat my food and buy me clothes and whatever. I can't live like some girl. You know? If I try to take care of myself. Not because someone with big and buff one can't wear no clothes. I don't have got rainbow go buy clothes. Me can buy 2 pieces of good clothes and put on. So me I work to support my habit. Me I work because I'm supposed to work as a woman. I'm supposed to hustle. And I go sit down online and beg people dollar and go fun. And try to teach up in people ask to survive. I know it all. I know it, Mr. Know It All. Come off my blood clot life and come out of my body whole woman. So come tired of work me I come from. So me drill me pum tight and my bleaching cream, whatever. It's a hustle. Me nah sit down and I wait for nobody. And I there with a 21-year-old and I talk about you only give me $50 or give me $20 in quarters. Bitches can't go to at the end of the day is if you have to support your habit and buy your clothes and buy where you buy, work and buy your shit. Now because I live with a man, I go sit down and fool me too fucking and him like me handicap. And every time he come in from work, I go tell him, me need one skirt, me see one blouse me did like, me see one wig me did like, me can't bother with that. So woman back the fuck off and back the fuck up. Enough is enough. Stop your fucking foolishness and get on with your fucking life. Me know you want me call the name, but me not call the name. I know it all. The whole fucking you talk about me, you have no right to talk. Me make my video about past life. Me's not a criminal, me not a thief, and me not a old bitch. You're a bigger hoe because you never fucking work. You know what? You're also right now. So tell me how you survive. And that if you tell me how you survive without a job. How you manage to get money to buy a new wig and buy your things and when you get in. If you're not working. So what the bigger hoe? Man, rest off of me, rest the case. Rest the case and pick up your own problem and galang. Because me not get no more than 2 weeks. Me not get no more than 2 more weeks. For you see a sign. Me never sell up no more to you. Because guess what? What goes around comes around. Me not work up here. Me not work up on nobody. But when your mind bad, and you stay bad, and you wish bad for people, bad will happen to you. Me I run like a joke with you and grow on with you, you know. But me realize like you want a real war in real fucking life. You know, take a little joke off and go on. It's like you want a real blood clot war. Like a tyrant. Tear me up. Ease your chest, my girl. Everybody that on social media do them video. Everybody do them little thing. You can't think that everything is for you. Don't come tear me down, come and look a joke with you. I used to love you and subscribe to you, but me tap. And after the last time I fall, move back and start watching and subscribe to you again, realize you're not going left me tail, Mr. Know It All. So because of that, I not watch you today, I not watch you tomorrow, I not watch you. Tap. And enough people me meet, they say then tap. I love people, I run, I joke and carry on. But I see how to draw me the fuck out. But nobody can draw me out. They can't draw me out like we see my eyebrow them draw out. Me a no cokehead and me a no crackhead. Look for me good. I'm fat and furious. Buy spend money, buy clothes and sitting. I left that up to you. I left that up to you because something about your head not right. For me to take a pad from money to crutches and slap up on social media, I know you're not right. And from the time you try to dismantle the man, I know you're not right. And from the time the man you put yourself with, you say, Mommy, Mommy, you know what he said about me, Mommy? Big fucking grown ass woman call the next woman Mommy. I don't know, say the man woman here call. But Mommy, what he did to me? You're so pitiful and fucking sorrowful. Back off of me go wash your pussy. Find time to spend time with your picnic them. Go and go cook. Go and go pay your bills. Find a way out. Don't let me be your problem. Because all I have to give you is much love and respect. And I want to say big up yourself. Cut it and make it done. We are all women. Right? Stretch out pussy girl. And we have pum pum. And I come tell me about thief, because you're the thief in this bumbuck like that ever born. Right now you're kind of sad because you're gonna get enough for thief because the people don't find you out. So take your dirty stinking pussy, cheesy pussy off of my line. Big mouth dirty girl, better people on me dead gone and this and that and talk shit. You feel blood clot dead because you're dead already, you're walking blood clot dead. The good thing left is a big blood clot casket. I better can't take off your clothes or dress and put on one boot and clothes and come out there like me. Me not perfect, I'm in shape. But you look worse than a blood clot pan a flower. Dumpling when they need up with water. Back the fuck off. You hear and swallow a couple condoms and spill. Back the fuck up and Mr. Know-it-all. Grab some fucking condom and swallow them like pill. When I use them and take and swallow them like water bag down your throat big enough, your mouth big enough. And back the fuck up. It's going a bit too fucking far up your ass, bitch. You need to take it the fuck out and suck it. Okay? And back the fuck up off of me. Because me no warmonger. Me joke around and me pay me like a joke and me laugh and me talk. And yes, you come and me cuss you and make it done. You come back with the same fuckery and follow back at me like when fly follow back up stinking pussy. Yeah, ginger fly, I guess my pussy must stink and yeah, ginger fly. Come down away, you follow back at me and follow back at me. If when me go, you follow back at me. Like say me I breastfeed. I know you love me bitch, you know my videos are the bam. I know everybody like my videos and I know you like watching me bitch because they're the bam, because I speak the truth. Whether it's good or it's bad in my past life, I make people know so they don't make the same mistake I make. Go suck dick. That's what you do. And get quarters. And get quarters. Your life will never be no fucking better. You're cursed. You're cursed long time. The only thing if you come on social media and roll up your blood clot mouth and talk big and can't do nothing. You talk about me, at least me go out there and hustle and find food to put in my big gut. Me and I relax myself. Me not sit down like you can't pay me internet bill. So now I complain, people give me money and this and I throw out my own pitney. Your own pitney out of your place. So get off my fucking name, please. Get the fuck off my name. Stay off my blood clot name. Me not take your man, me not suck your man, me not deal with the blood clot man. Me not beg you nothing, stay off my blood clot name. You hear? You take my name like a pill you take to make you feel good. Figure some kind of feeling, some kind of satisfaction. Mr. Know-it-all. You know it all. Stinking sour all. You know it all. Get the fuck off my line. And I make me have to tell you again. Do make me have to come and tell you again. Because me come right outside the house and lay wait you and tell you. Okay? Because I know where you live. Thank you.